This is built nang hindi kami nangungutang. It's grind lang talaga, late gratification. Wala kaming luho. Hindi kami nagluluho. We cannot operate. That's the time we're planning na talaga isara na yung Techno deals. Umiyak ako sa labas. I saw a preaching from Pastor Bong Saki. Ang topic niya is Steco. Steco means to stand firm. Huwag kang matakot. Oo nga, ba't nga ba ako natakot? I came from nothing. I prayed. After that, the following day, nagulat kami, we have a big order. If you're familiar with Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, and most of the motorcycle parts, napunta kami sa industriya na yun. Ang tingin kasi ng iba, porket maliit yung negosyo ko, hindi ko kailangan magbihis. Nandito lang naman ako sa bahay, magpapambahay lang ako. Even hindi ka malaki, but yung mindset mo malaki ka, yung vision mo, it will follow. Kailangan yung actions mo susunod. If you treat your employee as family, ang tingin mo sa kanila, it's part of your responsibility to provide sa family ko. We take pride na masaya na nakapag-provide kami ng jobs, especially ngayon na lumalaki na yung company. Hi, I'm Glenn Michael Pore. I am the CEO and founder of Steco and Ziara Garments Manufacturing. We are a garments factory. We manufacture garments like t-shirt, jacket. We manufacture tents then for militaries. Lumaki ako sa area ng Divisoria, Quiapo. Aral ako sa mga damit, sa mga tela. Basically, passion ko talaga yung damit. And I love creating things out of fabrics talaga. So it's basically my passion talaga siya. Steco and Ziara started from a humble beginning. We started garahe lang talaga. A team between me and my wife. We started like yung mga normal heat press lang. Kaming dalawa lang ang nag-heat press. Nag-umpisa kami na magkaroon ng tahian back 2018. Yung wife ko, work in a hotel. So may isa siyang client na looking for a t-shirt. Then that's the time na nag-isip kami na let's put up a company. Sinabi ko sa wife ko, well, it has to be right. Tama lang yung gagawin natin. So that's the time na, sige, magtatayo tayo ng company. Let's get a permit. Let's have a legit office. Kahit garahe lang. Napaka-importante talaga nun, bro. Some of it, tingin nila unnecessary. Pero sa akin, very necessary talaga siya. Nag-umpisa kami ng isang sewer. Then naging dalawa, naging tatlo. After pandemic, that's the time na nag-boom yung company. We started as Techno deals in Techno Parks. Natayo ang Steco because of pandemic. We cannot operate. That's the time we're planning na talaga isara na yung Techno deals. Umiyak ako sa labas. I saw a preaching from Pastor Bong Saki. Ang topic niya is Steco. Steco means to stand firm. Huwag kang matakot. Oo nga, ba't nga ba ako natakot? I came from nothing. I prayed. After that, the following day, nagulat kami, we have a big order talaga. Doon namin naisip na Techno Deals is a company name, but yung Steco kasi is God's name na. So parang second life na nung company namin. We started as Technopark. So if you're familiar with the Toshiba, TDK, those are industrial companies here in Laguna. Lumipat kami sa Steco, nakapasok kami sa motorcycle industry. If you're familiar with Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, and most of the motorcycle parts, napunta kami sa industriya na yun. That's the reason why we enter digital printing. Nung time kasi ng 2022, that's the time na nagbo-boom na ang digital industry talaga. Yun yung sublimation, DTF.
I'm George Roa. I'm the General Manager for the operation of Steco and Ziara Garments Manufacturing. Let's go. Let's look at our factory. Starting from this line, this is the sewing line number 1. So here the round neck are being done. T-shirt without collar. So round neck ang tawag doon. Sewing line 2, it's a mixed line, no? Jacket and polo shirt, no? With the collar. This is the safety vest. Later on, sisimulan namin yung production pants dun sa kabilang linya. From cutting, then binabundle ulit ito para per crate at saka i-issue sa production. Para yung control ng shades and all the parts, no? Para hindi magulo. From marketing, nagbababa sila ng job order. Then lahat ng concerned line na dadaanan ng job order na yun, bibigyan na sila ng kopya. Alam na nila kung ano yung mga darating na trabaho. Ito yung sample making natin. Especially yung mga bagong order, no? Kailangan gumawa muna kami ng sample based on customer's specification, mga design. Ginagawa muna natin ng sample for approval. Once na na-approve na yan, they can go ahead issuing yung purchase order. So yung operation nila, bubuuin nila yung sample from cut parts to product. Meron tayong in-house na technician para to maintain loose ang sewing or tumatalon, tinatawag na yung technician. This is our finishing line. This is where trimming and packaging are being done. including attachment of buttonhole and button sew. Dito yung ating printing para sa sublimation. Dito sa side na to, meron tayong 2 printer, and then sa kabilang side, meron pa tayo 1 printer. Ito yung knitting naman. Dito yung knitted collar. Then dito sa kabila, DTF naman. Ito yung malaking press namin. Ito yung mga smaller press. Output ni printer na 3 makina, siguro mga 2 araw o 3 araw na output nila, 1 araw lang gagawin dito.
Ano yung difference from dati? Outsource pa yung mga materials, then now na puro in-house na yung machine natin.
Well, basically, kontrolado namin yung quality. At the same time, bilis nung availability ng ibang operation. Kaya na namin kontrolin, i-schedule. Mas mabilis ang output ng production pagka in-house na yung ibang operation mo.
How about the lead time?
Yun yung actually ang main purpose nun. Para yung lead time niya mas mapaiksi namin. Kung hindi namin kontrolado yung ibang operation, the mercy kami ng suppliers. Minsan marami din silang load, prioritization, baka maipit kami. So this is why na lahat ng operation ini-integrate namin para at least one plant, all operation available.
2019, we started 2 sewer. Mahirap yung adjustment, but by God's grace, si God, provide niya yung team. Marami tumulong sa amin, especially handling people. Kasi machines, madali, bilhin mo yung machines. But handling people, yan yung pinakamahirap, especially habang lumalaki ka talaga. Malaking factor kasi ang mindset. Ang tingin kasi ng iba, porket maliit yung negosyo ko, hindi ko kailangan magbihis. Garahe kasi, yung door niya, yun yung opisina mo. Kasi normally, ang hirap kasi i-break nung mentality na, dito lang naman ako sa bahay, magpapambahay lang ako. Pagpapasok ako doon sa office na garahe, nakaligo ako, nakaporma ako na pang-opisina. Even hindi ka malaki, but yung mindset mo malaki ka. Yung vision mo, it will follow. Believe me, kasi ganun kami. Kailangan yung actions mo susunod. Ako, I think tama naman yung nagawa ko kasi nag-a-attract ka kasi. Nag-a-attract ka ng positive pag ganun ang mentality mo. Na nakikita ng client na you're serious. Yung iba ang thinking nila, marami kami nakakausap na ganyan. Ay, bakit ako mag-uniform? Especially in our industry. Even though startup ka pa lang, ang mindset mo talaga dapat, alam mo yung goal mo kung saan ka pupunta. And even kami ngayon, yung sinasabi mo na nasa garahe ako, I envision this one. The proudest moment, I think, is this is built nang hindi kami nangungutang. It's grind lang talaga, late gratification. First 5 years talaga namin, wala kaming luho. Hindi kami nagluluho. Every time na kumikita kami, we buy machines. And we see to it na yung pangalan namin hindi masisira. Kasi it's very important. That's the reason why big suppliers talaga pinagkakatiwalaan ng Steco. Ang pinurchase namin sa Printbiz is yung Yuntin 12 heads embroidery machine. Nag-research ako kung ano yung pinakamagandang embroidery nasa market ngayon. Nakita ko talaga siya. And knowing the company, knowing the owner, so I think yung reputation niyan, alam ko talaga, malaking factor ang support. Especially pag nagkakaroon ng problem yung machine. Yun yung talagang reason bakit pinili ko si Printbiz, because of the tech support. Nag-order ako sa inyo, I think 2 weeks ago. Then after 2 weeks, another one ulit. So imagine this, in the span of 1 month, 2 ang na-deliver sa akin because sobrang ganda talaga ng performance talaga niya. Right now, we're on the stage of yung company namin will be franchise na. So marami nang nakapila for franchise. That's the next level of Steco. We have Cebu, we have Davao, iba-ibang lugar. If you treat your employee as family, so sometimes even pagod ka na, ang tingin mo sa kanila, it's part of your responsibility that they have work every day, pumapasok sila every day to provide sa family ko. Sa ganito kasi kalaking family, we take pride na masaya na nakapag-provide kami ng jobs, especially ngayon na lumalaki na yung company. Actually, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tao, especially when we started up. Yung church namin, our family, yung father ko, yung mother ko, family ng wife ko, suppliers, especially with the Uy family, sila Sir Raymond, they are part of laki ng company namin. And marami pa kaming kasama sa journey namin, the embroidery, before nagpapagawa lang kami, yung printing. So, malaking factor talaga sila kung paano nahubog yung Steco. And nagpapasalamat kami for Printbiz, especially with Sir Gilbert Molina. Talagang yung support, I don't know if you know it, but kahapon lang namin in order yan. And imagine, kaninang umaga, dineliver na. So, ganun kabilis. Alam nila kasi ni Sir Gilbert, kung ano yung deadline namin. And doon kami nagpapasalamat. Yung support, nandyan talaga sa amin. Hi, I'm Glenn Michael Pore. Sa mga gusto na magpagawa ng t-shirt, full sublimation, DTF, embroidery, everything in-house yan sa factory natin. So, rest assured kayo na yung price natin sobrang baba talaga and yung speed talagang nandoon talaga. I'm inviting you to visit Steco Philippines on Facebook and Instagram. So, maraming salamat.